Hello everyone, João here. I'm going to today I got an interesting request. I was asked how to clean up a mesh after a Boolean operation. And still maintaining a lot of the lines made. So I have these two objects here already ready to do a Boolean operation. I'm just going to drag this one here so we can have a slice made. And the first thing I'm going to do after the Boolean is select the mesh, should be here. I'm going to press Ctrl D and drag it out of the group, hide, hide the Boolean so I can actually just operate on this one. Let me just go here to my channel box. And the first thing I'm going to do is delete history, freeze transformations, and center the pivots so everything is set. The second one is I'm going to come here for vertex, and I can actually see that I have a few n-gons. I have an n-gon here, as you can see. If I just come to my select tool, I have an n-gon here. So this surface is a pentagon. Obviously, this face, the same on the bottom, and this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to find edges that I can actually delete without much problem. So if I press here if I right mouse click, go to edge select mode, I select these two edges, I can see that they are very close to these ones here, to the top ones. So I can actually just delete both up and down with not much of a problem. So I'm just going to press Ctrl D and delete. This is some sort of bug, it's not a problem. When you get a green light, just means that you got you got a surface with an unsigned material. So if I just go right mouse click, go all the way down to assign existing material. I put standard surface, which is my 2025 default material. Oh, none of them can be added. So I'm just going to come here to channel box. Go to object mode. Go to object mode and do the same. Going to the freeze transformations, delete history, and now I have an n-gon here, here, and here. So I'm going to solve these first two. So if I come here, I press Shift Control X. I go to the edge cut tool, and I can just cut these ones here. I do the same down, cut, and this should solve these ones here. For now we have this face here. So in order to cut this face, there's some solutions. The first one, I just press Shift Control X again, and I just drag the tool here to create a vertex here, one here, and another one here, and press Enter. So I just create a triangle. And I do the same thing here, 1, 2, 3. Create another triangle. I'm going to press Q to exit the tool. For this ones here, I'm going to use a couple of more tools. The first thing I'm going to do is right mouse click, select face. I have face centers active, so I always know where to click. I'm going to press Ctrl F and type poke, and I'm going to get the poke tool. This pokes essentially the face, creating a vertex in the center. I'm going to do the same here by selecting the face, and I'm going to press G, which is repeat last action. So now I'm just going to come here by right mouse clicking, select the vertex, and now I press Shift, right mouse click, go to merge vertex, target weld tool, and I'm welding this vertex and this one here. And now we have something that conforms to, oh, I forgot this one here, so Shift Control X, here and here. And now we have a polygon completely that we can actually use, send to a game engine, and it has no end guns. So that's it, thank you.